go check on the laundry, and I'll clean the rest of my room. Oh yeah, it's good coffee. Still good coffee. Dogs are sleeping. Just was washing some shirts when I was doing some TikToks on my tablet. Oh yeah, forgot. Put this right here. Grab some more chocolate. My coffee's a little bit cold. I had to re-hide my niece's gifts. It's where it's not out in the open. I think next time if I go Christmas shopping, I'm buying Scotch tape. The tape and a medium-sized, what do you call it? A medium-sized bag for my other niece's gift too. I'm kind of shaky. Sorry you have to see my ugly ass foot again. Yeah, I'm in my summer work attire. There's Jade. Hey Jade. I know where to put this now. Instead of right by my chair, I can put this freaking cord, this charger block over here for a little bit, as long as I don't fucking trip over it. Yep. This 10-footer would be good. So that way my fucking charger block doesn't get trapped by a chair. Yeah, I call it a cell charger. Oh well, since my phone is fully charged, I might as well just chill with it on. I might as well replug this charger in. Which is my second laptop charger, and I might just get rid of it. Yeah. Not going to get rid of it sometime soon. Yeah. So I paid kind of good money for it, so. About my dad's giant gift, I got him a lot more than I should, but anyways, he's really good to me this year, so I'm gonna prop this gift over here, then trash can right here for now. And grab my backpack. Prop it right here. So the kids cannot have access to it, so yeah. Yeah, because my backpack of holding is fucking heavy, dude. I should charge these, so. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. You know, for my niece's gift, I might have to switch bags for a while. Oh shoot, I forgot it's in here. Yep. Almost done with everything except for kitchen sink. So. Yep. That is also my private information. Yep. And yep. Think about putting some of these headsets in there and my top dresser. So very top dresser. Except for one. And a dice bag. But that's not for who I am anymore. Which is I am still a D&D nerd. I just don't like to collect smaller dice bags.